Hello, in this video we show a very simple function called ls in R to list variables in the working space. So ls will list variables in the current working space, and ls.str function will show more details about each variable. So next we will go to RStudio to show several examples. So we create two scalar x and y, and we create a vector z, then create a function called f. So next, of course, in RStudio on the right side you can see these objects in the environment. And say we use ls function, so these four objects are listed. And if we use ls.str, so the details, a little more detailed information about these objects are listed. So you can see x is a scalar number 10 and y is 50, and z is a list with a type character for 3 elements, and f is a function with 2 parameters, n and p. And then there's a function called rm, which we can remove all the variables in the working space. So rm means remove. Then inside the parentheses we will set a list list equals ls. So rm list equals ls parentheses, then all objects created are removed. Then next we show if we run ls again, there is no objects, so R shows character 0, which means there are no user created variables in this working space. Thanks for watching.